church, but I stopped going. I just didn't feel a place in church until I got to where I'm at now. And don't get me, this is not a knock to any of the other churches. I just didn't, I don't know, but I believe this is the type of church that the world actually needs, because we could have just easily just prayed for her and called it a day, like some churches may do. We could have easily ignored her message. We could have easily, been like, oh, well, you know what? We can't help you today. Like, we could have done all of that. But instead, we actually did what the church was created to do. We actually helped someone in need. We actually fellowshipped, and I don't really know of churches that do that anymore. That I know of. I know churches that raise money for events in the church, but I've never known a church to raise money for people outside of the church. People that are not members. Sometimes even members can't even get help. I've never known a church that would go out of its way to help someone that they don't even know. I could, and then to help someone who says, hey, I will give it back. It's like, but that's not what we don't help expecting you to pay us back. It feels good to be a part of a church that actually is a church. We actually help people regardless of who they are, where they came from, if they're a member or not. We literally did everything we could and went out of our way to help someone who's not a member of the church. How many churches honestly do that in our denomination, in our religion or whatever? Like, how many churches do we know actually do that? How many small churches do we know that go out of their way to help someone who's not a member? I believe we're a church that the world needs. We are a church that represents the world, because not all 100% of the world goes to church. But there are close to 100% of the world that needs help. But a lot of us, and I'm saying us for a reason, won't go into a church, because the churches that we have walked into, either the members, I'm grateful for the church that I'm a part of. I'm grateful for the church that I'm in, and I'm grateful that we do the things that we do. I've literally seen my church take care of transportation for 2 members. Literally bought transportation for 2 members. I've seen my church clothe people. I've seen my church pay bills for people. I've seen my church go out of its way to help someone in need. I don't know of any other churches personally that I've seen do that. I've seen small churches like ours do what we need to do for us, but I've never seen us do anything to help anybody outside of us. I really believe the world needs a church like ours. And we would love to have you.